She knows how to come upstairs. Come on. Come on. Come on. You know how to do that. Come on. Come on.
She doesn't have anything.
You know how to do it. You know how.
Doesn't have any.
You know how.
New stairs to her.
You know how to come upstairs. She's got to do it in one fluid motion. Come on. Do it. Come on. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Come on. You can do
Let
it.
me go down and help up one step.
Nope, she'll do it. Come on. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. All right, you take the camera. She does know.
I don't know
Wait
how to.
a minute. What do you want Grandma to do?
Just keep it pointed at her. It's still on.
Just keep it pointing that down there.
Is which
You
way?
pointing at yourself. I don't know. Pick her up one step. Pick her and put her on the bottom step.
It's slick. See, she doesn't come up steps that are slick.
Well, that's all right, put her halfway up, then she's got to do it, Amy.
I think she doesn't like it with the
I know it's
The
new
opening.
steps.
she doesn't like it with the open behind.
These are
no higher than my stairs.
I know.
You say hi, oh Yadi.
Oh,
Say hi, oh Yadi. Is it still recording?
yeah.
You say hi.
It's still blinking. Does that mean?
Pretty girl. Did you have some fun? Did you have some fun?
It'd be